Hi, it's Liz. Today we're going to do a cupcake pattern. I want to change the colors. This was the first stitch out that I did, and I was trying to figure out what pattern and color goes to what area, just because some of these stitches down here also link to the sprinkles up there. So I have two blue sprinkles up here, but it's hard to tell because there's, you know, the same color as the blue background, but I didn't know it was going to be the same color because I was stitching out one of these and then it jumped up to there. So I'm not in love with this color combination, so I want to try a yellow and the blue. I really like this blue though, so I used one piece of felt to begin with to do the cupcake and then put a second piece at the back and then stitched out the border for the square. So that's what I'm going to do. I've got yellow on the line. I do write down all of the steps that I do, so when I replicate it I know exactly what sequence that this machine is running at for this design. So that's a huge saver, and then I can change out the colors as I need to. So this is the cupcake design. So it says 8 colors, 27 minutes. And it kind of gives you the general area of what we're doing. There are 5 steps, and then you do the square. So 5 steps for the cupcake. So I have hooped up the 140 by 140 hoop. I have one piece of felt at the top, and I'm going to use the color. So my first step is the background icing color. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So the first top of the cupcake is done. We are now going to do the base of the cupcake. And it includes sprinkles as well. So I'm going to do it in that cloud blue and add that to the cupcake. So we have the base in blue. So I was hoping to do the stripes in yellow to keep it simple, but when I looked at my steps, this bottom one and then this top one here, both will have sprinkles attached to them, so you can't just do the bottom one, it jumps to the sprinkles. So I'm going to do white and white in between here. I could choose a third color. I'm just having a hard time figuring out what's another good color to go with these two colors. White is just really simple and neutral. Alright, so it finished this white base layer and it added 2 sprinkles up to the top. So we're going to go move on just to do the middle one, and we're just going to do it in white. So the middle color is just white on the stripe, and now we're going to do the final one, and then it's going to add some sprinkles. So I'm just going to keep it white. The cupcake has been completed. I'm going to take it up off the machine and then add a felt piece at the back, and then we're going to do the border. So I think I'm going to do the border in blue color. I do like that blue color. Alright, so it has completed. And we have the cupcake, a very simple cupcake. Feel like I need to check out my color wheel for adding a third color, not just white, because it is just showing up as white up there. But I think we could probably add, like, I was thinking even a lavender, but maybe it doesn't go. I don't know. I'll have to check my color wheel and see how it goes. All right, a very cute, large cupcake. You can see the back. I used white thread, but you can definitely use the matching color. It just gives a little shimmer. But I really like this cupcake. It's a good size, especially if you have a large group for Felt Story. So thank you so much for watching the cupcake video. Let me know if you have 3 colors that would work really well and what would you recommend. Please leave them in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I shall talk to you later. Bye!